Hi, my name is Michael Schumacher, Principal Consultant at Cadable. Today, I'm going to give you an overview of an exciting array of products from Meraki, a subsidiary of Cisco Systems. Just a quick backdrop on Meraki. It was started by MIT students who worked on the MIT RoofNet project. Meraki started out independent of Cisco and was funded by Google. In 2007, Meraki launched the community-based Free the Net campaign. By 2008, more than 100,000 people used this service. You may have already seen the Cisco-produced Meraki story video on YouTube. I'll link to it here. In a nutshell, Meraki makes networking gear that is cloud managed from the moment you plug it in. In addition, it produces powerful analytics that are easy to obtain. Everything is managed in the Meraki dashboard. Here is the equipment that we are working with in this presentation. The device in the middle is an MX100 security appliance. It is the heart of your network, the router for your headquarters. The two devices below it are 48-port managed switches. The device on top with antenna is an MX64W. It is intended for your remote office locations. It is also a security appliance that can perform routing and VPN duties. The two sleek devices on the side are Meraki access points. They are aesthetically pleasing to look at and have an unusual level of quality for our equipment of today. The mounting brackets have a level built into them. Back to the Meraki dashboard. The dashboard is browser-based and simple and intuitive to use. The very first thing you see is a drop-down menu allowing you to view the entire organization, create a new network, or select an existing network or location you've already established. Many of the pages inside the Meraki dashboard utilize Google Maps, and this becomes really handy when trying to isolate equipment or narrow down location of a device. As you can see here, I have an overview of our network, and everything is in Spokane. If I switch to device view and I just hover my mouse over these different devices, it shows which location the devices are at. Now obviously just seeing what street address devices are at is not going to be good enough for you to narrow down where the equipment is in buildings where there's a lot of equipment in big tall commercial structures. So the Meraki dashboard allows you to upload floor plans to where you can get a better understanding to where your equipment is located. Also, the Meraki dashboard has something called the location heat map. For access points, it allows you to make sure that you've done a good job in strategically locating your access points close to where the devices are that are going to be connecting to them. The Meraki dashboard is broken down into 3 categories, and as I've been going through it, a little bar highlights depending on the devices that I'm viewing at the time. There's security appliance, which are VPN and router devices, switches, and your wireless devices. However, whatever equipment you see in the main pane, you can just click directly on it. A new feature that they've introduced into the Meraki dashboard is the topology feature. It allows you to keep your network topology maps up to date. It shows you where things are connected on your network, and you can also click on these directly to get more information. The traffic analytics inside the dashboard can be sliced and diced a number of different ways. You can get to them via just clients. As you can see, it by default sorts usage, the highest using clients on the top. And these clients, if they don't have a friendly name in them, you can just click right on them and give them a new name. That's simpler for you to see. And as you're hovering across clients, you see what impact they have to your overall bandwidth. And that's on the client side. And then on the traffic side, you can see it's broken down by the types of traffic. And what's neat about this gear is it's just not measuring traffic that's going out to the internet. It's measuring traffic that's, passing along your network, from servers to workstations to printers, what have you. This sums up my initial overview of Meraki. I wanted to touch on its graphical nature of the interface and ease of use. Features that I can cover in future presentations include Facebook integration of splash pages, NAT and access rules, ease of configuring virtual private networks, and device management, just to name a few. Cadable is a registered Cisco partner. Contact us for a demonstration tailored to your company's needs. Thank you for your time.